Guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's ZoyaNeeyah. Guess what, guys, I'm actually going out today. Usually I'll do my makeup and then do my videos and everything, and then just probably go watch a movie in my living room. Like, I don't even know what to, I don't know how to explain it, but yeah, today I am actually going out. I'm looking all glam and everything. So I wanted to show you guys how I achieved this beautiful look. I wanted my eyes to speak. I wanted my eyes to be like, I wanted people to see me from a 5-mile radius and be like, oh yes, I can see her eyes. Like, I'm being a bit dramatic, guys, but I just wanted something that would be very like, I wanted something that would pop, something that would be out there, because I wanted to go very, very, very subtle on my lips, even if now it looks like I still have, my lips are in, like, obviously I wanted something that would, I just wanted something that would be like, yes. But I didn't want to overdo it because it's not like nighttime yet. It's only about 5:20 or something. So I'm not going out until about an hour's time, but I know myself, if I decide to get ready when I'm supposed to be going out, I would never be on time. Like, I'm so African. But I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I hope you guys are able to recreate this look and be able to slay with it as well. I think that's all I wanted to say. I can't think of anything else that I'd like to add to my intro, but I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. And yeah, I don't really do center parts a lot, guys, so for me this is a bit tricky to wear this look, but I think I look alright. I think I look decent. Yeah, bye guys. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Take care. Bye bye. The first thing I've done is just to get my face ready. So I've just prepared my eyes by basically putting some eyeshadow primer on. Now I'm going to be using this pretty pink eyeshadow wheel I got from August. And I'm going to be using this green color. It's like a light green color. I'm just going to be using this as my transition color now. So I'm starting from the outer part of my eye and just going inward. And if you notice, I'm not putting a lot of pressure on the brush, so I'm just lightly holding the brush to do this step. Now that I'm happy with that, for my outer corner of my eye, I'm just going to use this a bit, I won't call it dark blue, but I'll say like a proper blue eyeshadow I got from Avon. It's called Midnight. And I'm only going to be packing this on the outer corner of my eye. I'm also using a light hand to apply this eyeshadow. And I've just kind of zoomed it in so you guys can have a closer look at what I'm doing. Now to get my face ready to apply the lighter shade, I'm going to be using the Elder Pro Concealer. I'm just going to be carving out my crease, just half of my crease, because this is like a half crease, half cut crease look. So I'm just using that same color that I used as a transition color in the beginning, but now I'm just pressing it on my eyelid a bit harder. See what can happen when you use your brush lightly and when you press on the brush. I'm gonna take that same dark blue color that we used before. I don't know if it's a dark blue or normal blue, but basically that blue color that we used before. I'm just gonna be using that to clean out any sort of harsh line. And just to brighten my eyes up a little bit, I'm going to be using this glitter from Barry M just at the corner of my eyes, and also to fall underneath my eyebrows, just a bit of a highlight. Now for my foundation, I'm going to be using this one from Max Factor called Caramel, and this one from Maybelline called Sun Beige. And I'm really packing this on. I usually don't, they call this baking, yeah. I usually don't bake my face anymore, but I just wanted it for this look because I felt like my face had to kind of like be a little bit more illuminated as compared to what I'd usually do. Because I feel like center part kind of hides part of your face, so I feel like the middle of my face, which is going to be the one in view, has to be a bit more illuminated, and I can't do that with I can't do that with a foundation because I have oily skin, so the setting powder is my only way. But still make sure that you blend it out properly. Now for blush, I'm going to be using my favorite one from Makeup Academy called Bon Bon, just to give my face a bit of color. To highlight my nose, look at my ugly face. I just peeled a bit on my dress. To highlight my nose, I'm going to be using this one from Revolution. And now that I'm done with all this, I'm going to set my face using the Collection Primed Ready setting spray. Now for my lips, I'm going to be using this brown lip pencil from, it doesn't look good with my eyes at the moment, but I'm going to be lightening that up using this light pink liquid lipstick from Makeup Academy called Serene. And you just want to put as much as you want until you get your desired ombre or your desired pink that you'd like. So I wanted a bit of a brown pink sort of thing, and you don't have anything like that, so this was the best way I could get it, because I wanted a nude lip, but I didn't want my usual nude lip, but I just used like a burgundy color and a light pink color. So instead I used a brown liquid lipstick instead. So I'm just using this brush just to kind of spread out that liquid lipstick, so it's even across and it looks like I've used one lipstick and not one main liquid lipstick, if that makes sense. And we're done, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you guys in my next video.